So here I will show how to convert paper to IEEE style. So first you need to download the IEEE template. So this is IEEE template, right? So the idea is in this template, they already kept the requirements, the settings of each category. See, the title has a Times New Roman 24 font size, whereas here it is 8 font size. So we need to convert our data into this template of IEEE template. Okay. See, even minute things. Here it is in italics. This is in italic, and this is in non-italic. Okay, we need to carefully, we need to do everything. First, I will show. So this is our paper. This is our paper title. Copy the paper title. Okay. Then very easy. Go to IEEE format. We need to keep title here. They said paper title, right? So select up to the first word. Delete everything. Keep that one word. Okay. So now if you paste anything, that will automatically adjust into this format. See, I will paste. Okay. After pasting, control and this one. Okay. Merging into previous format. See, it merged into previous format. But there is an issue. Can you tell me what is the issue? The actual format is not in bold.
Yes, yeah.
That we need to know. What are the exact settings we need to know? For that purpose, select this entire title, right click, go to paragraph. In the paragraph, you can see all the settings. So centered, body text, okay. This is body text and all these are the settings there. Okay, and the line and page breaks are not there. And this is the settings of this title. So now, one second, let me take this one paragraph. Yeah. Now what you will do is copy your paper title, then go here, delete this one, paste, and merge with previous format. That's it. Okay, now it's in that format only. Actually, that format, one second, let me try again. It's not in bold, but it's coming in bold. Wait. Let me delete here.
So last time मैंने बोला था ना कि एक आगे की चीज है इसको
Stop one, then paste.
Yes.
Then go with A. Yeah. A given same style. Yeah. Click A, so you will get same style. Okay. This is how we standardize the title. Then note subtitles are captured. So since there is no subtitle to our title, we can delete the subtitle. Okay. Then first line, first given name, surname. So if the surname is Attuluri Vamsi, right? Attuluri. Then department, it is in italics. So delete the first few things. Then department, department of, yeah, Department of MLT, UIAHS, Chandigarh University. You need to write fully, okay? So that is in italics. We finished. Okay, organization name. Here you will write CU, right? Yeah. Then what is the next step? City, country, everything you need to mention. City will be Mohali, country will be India. Okay, India. Then email ID, whatever email ID you have, you need to write the corresponding email ID. Okay.
सर आपकी ईमेल आईडी मेरी ईमेल आईडी और सर की
yes
जो ओरिजिनल है कि सीईओ वाली
up to you. What working email ID you have, you can add. Ideally, you should use institute email ID. If you don't have, then you can use the personal mail ID. Okay, that should be a working mail ID. That's it. So this is how you will do. Then abstract. So abstract is in this format. Let us add your abstract here. So what I will do, I will delete everything, but keeping the one word there. Okay.
Yes,
yeah, I deleted everything, but I will keep first this I'm keeping there. Okay, then go to your abstract, copy the abstract from your paper, copy it, then paste. After pasting, what should we do? Click this and this A. It will automatically match with the previous format. See, this is in same format. Now delete this. Abstract is in bold because already it's in bold. They already kept in bold now. So we too kept in same bold only. We pasted it, control, then A. It will match previous format. So it's matched automatically. Okay, then I will delete this. So now the abstract has been done. Okay, what is the next step? Keywords. We need to write the keywords. So same technique, delete up to here. Okay, then go to your paper. Okay, you don't have keywords. For example, your
So we have to write down.
yes, ma'am. You need to write some keywords you will write, right? Then something pregnant woman, something. Okay. So what you will do? You will copy your keywords, then paste, control, matching with previous. What is that? This. Yeah, matches. Okay. Similarly, you need to do. Then introduction. Select one complete paragraph. Okay, up to here it is there. So see, I will select complete introduction paragraph. So up to here I selected. Now I will remove. Okay, I will select from here. First word I will keep to match the format. Then I selected up to here. I deleted it. Okay, I deleted that. Now, 1 second. Let me cross verify. Ease of ease is see I don't disturb ease of ease. Okay, that is Roman number 2. I deleted, but ease of ease is coming. So what I will do? I will select only up to follow. This one I deleted. So ease of ease is still there. I didn't disturb it. Then copy the introduction.
But introduction is small, like small. Okay, it is
Depends. So now I copied the introduction, then paste the introduction. Then we need to match this file. Control and EA. That's it. It matched. Then you can delete this. So see, if you don't have subsections like 2, okay, if you don't have any subsections in your paper, then you can delete this subsection. Okay, subheadings actually these are. Okay, so similarly you can start working with same formats. Okay, say for example, that's why give numberings to your headings. Is it a main section or subsections? Introduction, Roman number 1. Object is Roman number 2. So first give numbers to your original paper. Then we can identify where to keep what title.
सर जैसे इंट्रोडक्शन के बाद जो मेरे मेजर ऑब्जेक्टिव्स है वो इसमें तो नहीं आएगा ना कि आएगा इसमें आएगा शायद क्योंकि ये तो सब टाइप्स हो गए ना सब टाइप्स में नहीं है तो
So yes, you can delete it when there is no subtitles. You can delete this up to here only. Then directly you are going with 3. This 3 will be your objectives in case of your paper. Sorry, the 2 will be your object.
Yes.
Right? So that will be here major objectives. Copy. Then ease of use I will here on I will paste. Then here. Yeah. Then I will delete this ease of use. Yeah. Yeah, I will paste. So accordingly you need to manage.
सर मैं जब तक फोन करके आ जाऊंगी
Yes. See, now I pasted here. Yeah. But I'm not sure whether this is in the previous format or not. So what should I do? Ideally, I need to check this one, this template. Okay, is there subheading or not? If there is no subheading, you should paste in this format only. See, I will use this format, copied, then pasted, converted to that format, then I will delete it.
So mention करना है major objectives in.
You will mention no. No, why? What I did here is I matched that previous format.
Okay.
First, I kept the content matched with previous format. Now I will add the objectives here. Okay, yeah. See here, paste, control, yeah. So yes, done. So similarly, you need to do for next steps. Understood, right? How to
Yes.
match the formats?
Yes.
Yeah, continue. Since there is no subsection A, B, you can delete this subsection completely.
Yes.
Subsection has been deleted. Then next one is 3. So again, what I'm doing, I will keep one word there. I will delete others. Then your subsection 3 will be this current trends.
Yes.
Maybe I will copy this. Then I will match this with this previous format. Control A. Yeah, I have matched. Then I will delete my first word. Okay. Then keep your text graphic. I deleted the original that data. Then heading. Again, heading will be this one 3. So that's why first keep numbers here. Then it will be easy for you to understand, right? See. Then yeah, that's it. Mm. 3 also done. So okay. Now see there is one issue. They kept subsections in 3 also. Since we don't have ABC subsections, you can delete them. There is no equations, nothing. There is no these things also. Actually, this complete you don't require. Now see. Table also similarly you need to do.
Subtype na.
I deleted subtypes and I maintaining the main Roman number. Okay. Now they given only up to Roman number 4, but you have Roman number 8, 9 also. So maintain the same style. Copy this again. Okay. Paste it. It became 5. Same content I pasted. Okay. Then I will paste again. It becomes 6. I pasted again. It becomes 7. So I can use this template. Okay. Same style, same thing. Table also you will convert your table to this font, this size. That's it. Table you need to do manually. Table main heading is 8 Roman number, times new Roman 8. Then here also it is 8 only. Here it is 8, but not bold. This is italics. If you have subheading, that will be in italics, bold italics.
सर जब हम टाइपिंग करेंगे तो सेम ही उसमें होगा ना.
Yes, you can do that also. You can directly type the table. It's easy all, your table of content. You can type the same your data here. That will be easy for tables. Is it clear?
Yes.
Any doubts?
No.
Yeah.
References.
References. How to add references? See, I will add references here. You will get it. I took the last reference of this mapper. 8 I came. I got 8 no empty. So I will go to your references. I copy your references. Okay, copy. Then I kept an empty number by entering. I got 8 here. Okay, now see. Paste. Control A. It's in previous format. Done.
जो ये रेड वाला है इसको क्या करना है?
This you will delete it. See, when we deleted, the format changed. So delete it carefully. Delete up to the last word here. Then slowly you can. Over. So you need to delete the previous references. Yeah. Any doubts now?
No, sir, in one doubt. Sir, I did not mention acknowledgement.
Mention a simple acknowledgement. I would like to, where I would like to acknowledge the Department of MLT, Mr. My teacher, Mr. Vamsi, Mr. Dr. Vivek, for their, you can give a simple acknowledgement.
ओके सर।
Okay, that's it.
और कीवर्ड में तो नहीं लिख सकता।
जो similar proper keywords you can write.
वो डाउट था।
और सर ने बोला है कि डेटा वगैरह बनाने से पहले अपना पेपर का वो है रिव्यू ऑफ लिटरेचर और इंट्रोडक्शन और एब्स्ट्रैक्ट ये भी करते हैं और साथ साथ डेटा क्योंकि फिर उसके बाद आपने उसमें से करते जाना ये ज्यादा हो गया
सर मैंने इसमें थोड़ा
सा आप
अच्छा नहीं किया मैं